What if your business could run on autopilot? This AI tool will make you money in your sleep. Sales Closer AI is a tool that bridges many gaps for a business owner, saves you time, and most importantly, saves you a lot of money. If you are running a business in 2024, you do not want to miss out on the power of Sales Closer AI. In this video, I will run you through the top 10 most amazing features that you are missing out on with Sales Closer AI. Get ready to be mind blown. Number 10 is merely the tip of the iceberg with what Sales Closer AI offers. Fully automated AI sales calls. Taking calls and meetings is about as important as any other part of the success of a business. As time-consuming as they can be, they determine conversation rates and retention rates and are the best way to gather user-generated data. Well, integrating Sales Closer into your business means that you do not have to spend another second taking a call that you do not need to. In addition to handling calls and conversations, the AI agent can receive phone calls. It can create and associate phone numbers from anywhere in the world. This feature allows your business to have a local presence no matter where your clients are located, ensuring seamless communication and a more personalized experience. And while you would usually need to take these calls yourself or hire and train someone to do so, Sales Closer takes away that burden with its ability to handle calls and conversations with your customers. While you would usually need to take these calls yourself or hire and train someone to do so, Sales Closer takes away that burden with its ability to handle calls and conversations with your customers.
Are you looking for carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, or area rug cleaning services?
This AI tool will help you get rid of all the setbacks that are created by human error, as you will soon see. It could be a phone call or a virtual meeting, and your Sales Closer AI agent will make sure that you and your brand are properly represented to your clients and potential clients.
I'm Jennifer from Sales Closer, an AI SDR helping generate leads.
It is worth noting that the voices of your agents are designed to sound as natural as possible. You can check demo videos for yourself and see how the agents communicate very close to human tones and speech.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to our website builder demo session.
But as I mentioned earlier, this is just the start. Just being able to make a call is not enough. What the agent says on these calls is as important. This is where number 9 comes in. Learn from your knowledge base. What would naturally take a new hire weeks or even months to learn is shortened to a matter of seconds with the power of AI. If you already have documents, videos, or any other thing that may contribute to understanding your business better, you can upload all of these to the system for your AI agent. Since AI requires little to no time to process data, this means that you do not have to spend more time than necessary onboarding a sales agent. During conversations and meetings and calls, the Sales Closer agent can easily draw from the information that you have provided in real time and respond to your clients. This way, you can be confident that whatever information your client receives is consistent with your brand's image and goals. Now to one of my favorite features of Sales Closer AI, number 8, able to run 24/7 in multiple languages. If you intend to build and run a business that transcends space and time, then this is a feature that you cannot afford to miss out on. All the agents that you create on Sales Closer are available to your customers at any time of the day, any day of the week. Imagine running a global business with clients that are halfway around the world with a time zone several times ahead or behind. By the time you are likely going to bed, your client is just getting ready for work. What happens if they need your attention immediately? Well, your Sales Closer agent will have you covered in this scenario. Okay, what if they speak a different language? Well, that is not a problem either. Your agent is also multilingual. These two features of Sales Closer really close the gap in time and language that may trouble international businesses. Now, here is something that Sales Closer does much better than any other tool. Number 7, pre-rendered voices for natural replies. While most people are likely going to be able to tell that they may be speaking to an AI agent, it is important to make sure that it is not so obvious. For a tool like this to stand out and really function, the conversations need to feel as natural as possible, and Sales Closer AI has that covered. As part of its design, the agent has a built-in system that allows it to pre-render the voice so that the answers come out naturally without weird pauses that break the flow. Interestingly, this does not slow down the process at all. The conversation still happens just as if the potential client is speaking to a person.
Track performance and determine the winning variation.
Up next is number 6, automation. Sales Closer really stands out when it comes to the automation that it offers in its playground. Your sales closer agent does not stop at the first sales call. Depending on how conversations go with a prospect, your agent can also continue follow-up.
Water damages and how many people are living there.
The agents integrate Zapier to do things like scheduling another call, sending contracts, sending reminder emails, reacting to objections, and updating information. For most AI chatbots, this is usually the stage where they try to send to a human sales agent or, in some cases, even stop working. But Sales Closer expands the horizon for when the client makes objections. For example, if he has reservations about negotiating fees or certain products, Sales Closer can respond accordingly, depending on what your preferences are. In the top 5, number 5 is something that is about as important as any other feature: easy to set up. As complex as all of these already sounds, it is not nearly as complex to set up. Most of the complex work has already been done in the creation of the tool. Setting up an agent is easier than taking candy from a baby. On the Agents page, you can create a new agent by filling out a very simple form. This is where you add all the details that will allow your agent to function optimally: your company's name, the agent's name, their position, the department they are assigned to, and your preferred language. It also allows you to hear voice samples and determine how you would like the agent to sound. This is also where you are required to upload the knowledge base for your business, as well as anything extra that you believe could improve the agent's performance. After creating your agent, you can now add a conversation sequence for your agent. This is just a group of guidelines that further improve the agent's performance in conversations with prospects and clients. To create a sequence, you just need to describe your scenario in the Instructions tab. It can come up with a series of steps based on the instruction, or you can set up every detail yourself if you are up for it. There are many nitty-gritty things you can add to make sure that your clients get the best possible experience without your intervention. All of this is done in natural language, just as if you are speaking to a new hire about how to respond during a call. Number 4 is something you may not find in most other tools: agents can improve. The AI agents on Sales Closer are capable of storing information from previous conversations in case they could be useful in the future. Considering that conversations can be unique and you may not be able to anticipate every question or objection, the AI makes sure that you already have a solution in case the issues come up again in the future. The same applies to repetitive tasks. The AI can improve its responses to questions and objections that come up often during conversations. All of these just ensure that you do not have to worry about the agents getting stuck during conversations. In number 3, I have 3 particularly amazing use cases: sales demos, bookings, and upselling. Just in case you are worried that Sales Closer is no different from regular chatbots that just handle FAQs and the like, I added these 3 features to clear your doubts. The first one is sales demos. Some potential clients may likely want a visual representation of how your product works. Well, thankfully, Sales Closer can work on these as well. Within a meeting, your agent can share its screen and show demos that help the prospect better understand the product. Even better, your agent can attend to prospects looking to onboard. Service booking and data capture can happen seamlessly, without your input. You can invest your time into other areas of the business and have the AI gather all the customer data that you may need. One more thing that you will absolutely love is that your Sales Closer agent can upsell products. If you hope to increase the long-term value of a client, then this is a very essential feature. Your AI can reach out to clients to remind them about possible upgrades available when necessary. Before we get to the latest and my top feature that Sales Closer offers, number 2 is another one of my favorites: a comprehensive dashboard. As much as this AI is designed to operate autonomously, you still have overall control of everything that it does. Sales Closer offers a very broad dashboard. What I really like about the dashboard, however, is that it still keeps things simple to navigate. All the data regarding how your agents are performing is made available. You can see the completed calls, the highest performers, and other agent details. This is important for monitoring what strategies are working best and using the data to make informed decisions that will improve conversion rate. And now for number 1, Sales Closer AI in HR. Just when you think you have heard it all, Sales Closer AI is pushing the boundaries of what AI communication should be with integration into interviews and hiring. Sales Closer has now performed possibly the first ever full interview run by an AI agent. This is a feature that would benefit both business owners and potential employees. Employers can be sure that their instructions will be followed to the letter in the hiring process. Potential employees can also go into interviews knowing that there will be no biases in selection. Sales Closer is hoping to design an AI tool that can be inserted into literally any conversation. This will save businesses a lot of time and money in many ways. But what do you think? Would you integrate this tool into your business? Check it out yourself and let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video.